Hello, my name is Kirti Subhash Deshmukh. I am a cost and management accountant by profession. Currently, I am working as a business consultant with Leach Business Services Private Limited, where we provide services like financial strategy, CFO services, and other business related services. I completed my bachelor's degree, that is my graduation, from VES College, and I feel blessed to be a part of VES College, who has helped me to reach out to the position where I am standing now. The environment, teachers' approach towards education made me a competent individual. The teachers of VS are very kind and approachable, especially the teachers of my department, that is Department of Commerce and Departments of Accounts, work towards the overall development of the student and not just the grades and the studies. And I feel fortunate to have spent 3 years of my life, that is the important 3 years of my life, with VS Education Society. I started my professional journey with the first year itself, and I must say that the efforts put by the faculty in the overall development of the students helped me a lot to manage my professional studies with my graduation. College arranges various competitions, co-curricular activities to boost the confidence of the students, which has helped me to boost my confidence as well. I participated in many competitions and co-curricular activities which helped me build my confidence and my personality. I will forever be grateful to the VS College, and with the no doubt I will always recommend a VS College to every student.
Hello friends, my name is Jinsha. I have completed my third year BA in Economics and Commerce in 2016-17 batch. Before speaking about my career that I took after completing third year, I would like to tell you something about my experience that I had during my third year. I took economics and commerce only because for me economics was a difficult subject. So, I could also suggest you that if you find economics difficult, it's better to take economics and commerce rather than taking full economics, because you know third year is the most important time and you need to pass all your exams. But after taking economics and commerce, don't think that you will get passed or get good marks without any difficulties. All the subject needs to be studied well in order to pass. Talking about my career, after completing my third year BA, I was thinking about taking MA for my higher studies, but I couldn't because of some personal reasons. Through one of my classmates, I came to know about this course, that is the ECCA course, that is Early Child Care Education. It is really a good course for girls who wants to be a teacher and who love to teach small children. I did my ECCA from Safal Institute. It is only 8 to 12 months course in which you can learn to teach them. After completing my course, I got placed into a really good preschool, that is the Learning Curve in Ghatkopar branch, which is an international school. I'm working there as a daycare teacher and I'm working there since 2 years. I would really say that it is the best course you can do, as it also gives you time to take care of your family. To be with kids and to teach them is really a good experience, and I'm really loving my job. So, if any girl wants to be a preschool teacher, you can do this course through which you can teach them. At last, I would only say that study well, work hard, and all the best for your future. But before concluding, I would like to thank all the teachers for always being there whenever we needed them. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Archana Shah. I'm an alumni of Vivekanand College batch 2009. I believe in the very fact that the foundation of a person's personality is laid by their parents and the alma mater. It has been 11 years of my professional journey, and trust me, by virtue of some very, very peculiar skills imbibed in me by my college, I have been the privileged one in the place of my work. Be it communication skills, be it presentation skills, and the most important gift that I have received is the confidence that I have built over and over during my college tenure. Many institutions do give their students opportunity to to excel, but this particular college always made sure that they recognized their students' potential, and the professors actually pushed you towards the correct directions. If I talk about myself, I've been a participant in a lot of elocutions and healthy debates, and that has helped me to stand up on the stage, face 100, 200, 500 people, be very sure if I am right, stand up even if there are 10 people opposing me. And that is because I was taught that if you have a point, you have to be very sure about it. I have to do my homework before that, and this I practice even today. So if I have to go for any meetings, discussions, or any conclusions, I make sure that before going there I do my homework right, so that I am able to put my points right. I mean, those small elocution competitions or maybe healthy debates, it has taught me how to improvise my content, make it crisp, precise, and yet deliver my message. It basically, I have learned to take healthy criticisms in a constructive way. I've learned to take suggestions from others, and that too in a very competitive spirit. I have basically learned the skill of dealing with people, communicating to people. I remember there was one project which was initiated by the professors of our college to do research on some of the business leaders and present that. And each of us was given one business leader. I actually learned how to do research, and I learned how to digitally present that. My digital presentation skills were really polished. And even as an audience, for the people who had not participated then, I mean, there were a lot of key takeaways then. So basically, what were the basic business principles that were common across all the business leaders? While it is there in many of the books and a lot of literature, but the audio visual presentation with personal touch has a different impact altogether. So yes, I mean, there are many instances. I can go on, and I completely give this credit to the professors of this college, because they have gone that extra mile, and because of their extra mile we have gone, I mean, at least I would say about myself, I've gone really a long way in my professional journey, and I have a long way ahead. But yes, I mean, while I cannot pay back for whatever role the college has played in my life, in my being a person that I am professionally and personally, but yes, I do take this opportunity to express my gratitude and thank you dear college and my teachers. Thank you. I'll always be grateful.